Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add a booking system to our site using the Elementor Page Builder and the 5-star restaurant reservation plugin. First, we need to go over to the left bar, and where it says plugin, we are going to click on Add New. And on the search bar on the top right, we are going to type reservation, and this is the plugin we are going to use, 5-star restaurant reservation. This plugin will allow us to add a booking section to our site and a booking system for us to accept or decline the bookings itself. It is oriented mainly for party events and restaurant events, but it could be used for any group gathering activity easily. So now we are going to click on install now, and now we are going to activate it. There it is. Now we are going to booking, and we are going to click on settings, and on the general options we are going to select the page on our site that will display the booking and the confirmation messaging. In this case we are going to use the home page. Now here is the minimal members of the bookings. In this case is 1, and the max is any. We are going to leave those as they are, and we are going to require a phone. We can add that yes or no. We are going to leave it no as a phone. It recommends that don't accept booking requests without a phone number, which makes perfectly sense. And a success message: thanks, your booking request will be waiting to be confirmed. Updates will be sent to the email address you provide. That we are going to leave that as it is, but it could be changed if we want to. We can select language to use for the booking form, date picker if it is different than your WordPress language setting. We can select anyone we want, but we are going to list those by default. So the booking form, month, day, year, and it could be defined and could be changed on the WordPress setting if we want. And the time format, it can be changed on the same manner. And on the security, we can add ban email addresses, ban IP addresses, and we can add some privacy. Require the customer to consent to the collection of their details when making a booking. This might be required to comply with privacy laws in your country. We can check that one, or for the example we are going to leave it as it is. And we can add a consent statement to our customers if we want to. And we can select a page on your site which contains the privacy statement. If selected, we will get into your consent statement. For that, we are going to need to create a page for the site statement. So now on the booking schedule, we can add the define the weekly schedule in which you are set booking. We can add new scheduling rules. Define a special opening hour for holiday event or other needs. Leave the time empty if you close all day. We can add a new rule for that too. For early booking, select how early customers can make their booking. Administration and booking management will restrict this by these settings. So we can select from 90 days in advance and such. And late booking, select how late the customers can make their booking, up to last minute, and the such options. 30 minutes, 30, 40, an hour, 4 hours, 24 hours in advance. Block same day bookings. Date pre-selection, select today is if valid. If not, select today or next valid date. And select the number of minutes with each available time, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. And week start on Sunday. And for the notifications, we can reply to the name of our user, our email address, we can add it here. We can send an email notification to an administrator when a new booking is requested. We can check that one. For the example, we're going to leave it as it is. And the admin email address, we can add the address for our admin. So here are the email templates. Use the following tags to automatically add booking information to the emails. Tag label with an asterisk can be used in the email subject as well. And we have all these ones, and we can add them to our email like this. A new booking request has been made. Sign name, username, party, people, date, booking link, coffee link, close link. The message was saved by sign or current time. And admin notification section, new booking requests. So, new request email saying your booking at Paletec is pending. Thanks, username, and such and such. It works simply in the same manner. And for the confirmation, we can also configure in the same manner, and for the section, exactly the same. So now we are going to save those changes by going to the button, and when it says save changes on the lower left, we are going to click on it. So now we are going to visit our site, and we are going to scroll down to the bottom where it will be the booking table. As you can see, we have a date. If we click it, we can select any of the future dates. So we're going to choose the September 8th, and the time we are going to choose 1 p.m. and for the number of people we are going to choose 4 people, and the contact information we are going to name Rick. On the email we are going to put email.email.com, and we can add a phone 555 555, and we can add a message if we want to. Hi, I am Rick. And we are going to click on the button request a booking, and it will be requested as it is. And if we scroll down again, this is thanks, your booking request is waiting to be confirmed. Updates will be sent to the email address you provide. So now we are going back to the dashboard, and we will have a notification here on booking, and we are going to click on the booking option, and we have our request here with the email, the name, the phone, and the status of the request, and we have the details here. So we are going to edit it, and we have the date, the time, the number of people, which can be modified if, I don't know, Rick called us and he's telling that one of his friends is not going to show up. So we are going to put 3 then, and it's solved. The email, the phone number, the message, and on the booking status we are going to pending, confirm, and close. So we are going to confirm, and we are going to send a notification to the mail of the client. So we are going to edit the booking, and it is done. So I have some detailed information of the message of Rick. So we have created a booking system for our site using the Elementor Page Builder and a 5-star restaurant reservation plugin in a quick and easy manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.